Okay, this is really insane. That's crazy. That's with no brakes or anything. But it moves forwards and backwards. That old tranny grabs real hard. I'm taking this car to a swap meet. I'm gonna ask $2,000 for it. 2,000 bucks. Like I said, it'll make a good car for somebody. I just got too many projects. I wish I could build it myself. I'm starting to like the old thing more and more. Found a real cool magazine. Has a picture of one of these things on it. That thing was built a long time ago. They make pretty cool looking cars whenever they're fixed up. This will be a good one. It's going to the Pate swap meet, 2,000 bucks. Or best offer.